Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your link on Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to find your link on Monopoly Go here and use it in whatever way you want, well, there are a few things that we need to do here. First is first, you want to open up Monopoly Go here, log into your account or access your account, and you want to go and click on the Friends button or section at the bottom right of your screen. Now, in here, you want to go and choose the invite button. I see at the very center bottom of your screen. So once you do click on it, you'll see two options. So you have invite via Facebook and invite through a link. So you want to go and click on the invite. That's the orange button here. Let's go and just click on invite. And once you click on it, it will give you the option to send a link to a specific platform. Now, I would highly recommend you to just choose one that you could readily use. So, in my case, maybe I want to use the Notes app that I have right now. Now, obviously, you could use any other app in here. I just like think like Notes is going to be the easiest one. So, let's go and click on the Notes app here. And once it actually opens up, you should be able to see the link for your account. So in this case, you could go and delete the other text, or you could go and just press and hold on the link. You could go and click on copy and use it in whatever way you want. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.